Good morning from Srinagar. It's 7:16 in the morning. Got up at 5, but was a little bit lazy and tired. Slept around 9:30 yesterday, and honestly speaking, it has a very different and a special feeling right now here in Srinagar this morning. Let me tell you. So finally, I got up at 6. Had a good shower and started packing up. And finally, everything is hooked up on the bike. And right now, I'm going to have coffee. Today is the major final leg to reach Leh, and from here, Srinagar, all the way from Sonmarg, I will be going ahead. I'll make sure I fill my jerry can this time because I don't know where fuel is available and where it is not. So fighter jets. Yep. Many bottles over here. Yeah, so many bottles. Reason being, when you are in the mountains, as I mentioned earlier, mountains doesn't spare you. So always be hydrated and at least drink 2 to 3 liters of water. All right, all set for Ladakh, and here we go. Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you. Okay, so right now it's 8:31. I have left my hotel and all set to Leh. So let me tell you about the outside temperature. It's bright and sunny, to be honest, and clear blue sky. On this jacket, yeah, I'm feeling a little hot compared to Chandigarh and other places. If I have to say, in Delhi, this is nothing. At least I can feel the breeze. My vents on my jackets are open, and yeah, rest. Again, it's 8:30 in the morning, so less traffic. So without any wasting time, we'll quickly reach nearest petrol pump. So I do see a petrol pump over here, but I'm not going to fill it over here because I have a really bad experience with Bharat Petroleum. So on the way, I will see for an Indian Petroleum or petrol pump, or else HP petrol pump. By the way, this is the major city area. As of right now, I've taken the flyover, but yeah, this is a major city area, and this route on my left over here takes you directly towards the airport, the Srinagar airport. Now, I haven't explored much yesterday because I was really tired, to be honest. I did not have the strength to explore much. I had to visit the KTM service center to get my chain fixed. Basically, it was completely loose, so I had to get that fixed. Apart from that, yeah, I did not get a chance to visit Dal Lake because from KTM service center to Dal Lake was around 15 kilometers, and honestly, as I said, I did not have the strength to go ahead, and I was damn sleepy as well at the same time. So by the way, this is I guess the old market area of Srinagar. So if you see the construction of the buildings and everything over here, it is made of the bricks You saw the bricks on my way from Gurugram. There was a place where you had those pillars over there, and these pillars were actually baking these bricks. So I guess they are the same bricks which are utilized over here to construct these buildings, and most of the buildings are made with these bricks. That is crazy. Wow. And I don't know, where am I going to cross? Okay, there's one more lake. I can't see. It's Anchar Lake, but it'll be next to me on my left hand side. Okay. It's getting hotter now. Actually, what happened is all of a sudden my cell phone stopped charging with the adapter as well as with the power bank. It said some alien object is causing problem. Please unplug the cable. It was not charging at all. So I was fiddling with it for 10-15 minutes. Either it was saying some alien object or some liquid damage. Anything can be possible. First of all, aliens over here. Not possible, guys, not possible. There's someone might be here, but not aliens. Sorry, I was just kidding. But yeah, so no liquid damage, but still. And later on I figured out to restart my phone, and now it's back to normal, and it is charging and it's working absolutely fine. I tried and checked. The charging works with the adapter as well as with the power bank. Okay, let's get back to the topic. Look at the mountain, man. Look at that mountain. Oh my goodness, it's from there all the way. I don't know, because of the trees I can't see where it ends. I'm actually running on fumes right now. My fuel is very low and I have to fill as early as possible, and I'm not getting any petrol station. I guess I can see something ahead, but I'm not sure. भैया इसमें भी भरना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? मैं उतर जाता हूँ. ओके, किधर से भरना है? Fueling my jerry can for the first time. Hope it doesn't leak, but I did check this out. There's no leakage or so. How much? 3 liters, 4, 5 लीटर का कैपेसिटी है भैया. So right now I'm heading towards Sonmarg, and now a lot of people, my friends and people from here, and I've also heard it, that places to visit is one of them is Sonmarg. We also have Gulmarg, but I'm not going from that side. Now, especially in Kashmir, everything is beautiful. So yes, but look at those mountains over there. They're huge. We're next to the mountains, and we are at the outskirts of Srinagar right now. What can I say, guys? What can I say? I just can sit here the whole day or my whole life, but I will not be satisfied to see what I'm seeing right now. So you saw that the army guy is not giving me the permission because he doesn't have the rights apart from the police people from Jammu Kashmir. Only they can give me the clearance, and I have to search for someone over here who can help me out. सर जी, मैं पहली बार आया हूँ यहाँ पर और मैंने ये वीडियो में देखा था ये जगह, तो मुझे एक्चुअली ड्रोन का शॉट लेना था। अलाउड नहीं करना, हार्डली 2 मिनट लगेंगे मुझे।
कहाँ पे लेना है?
मतलब वो सिंध, वो जो ब्रिज है ना,
कोई बात नहीं, ले सकते हैं आप। वो आर्मी का या कुछ बहुत दूर नहीं होना चाहिए, बाकी जो प्राइवेट इसमें है ना ये।
तो यहाँ नहीं ले सकता ना, तो वहाँ जाके ले सकता हूँ। ठीक है सर जी, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। जय हिंद सर जी। All right, you guys saw that. I'm so happy finally getting the chance to fly my drone over here and to capture this moment. Oh man, as you clearly saw the conversation, I hope the Insta was able to record all those conversations. So what they mentioned is that if there's no army thing over here or any kind of a base or something, you can definitely fly. So I confirmed with the in charge over here, the police in charge, and they mentioned yes, you can definitely fly without any problem. So right now I'm on a location where most of the YouTubers do come and visit to take a drone shot, and I'm going to park my bike and wait over here for a couple of minutes before I start. And let me show you the footage. सत श्री अकाल पापा जी।
ठीक ठाक जी,
एकदम ठीक। आप कैसे हो?
बढ़िया। कहाँ से हो?
मैं पूना, महाराष्ट्र।
महाराष्ट्र से?
हाँ।
बेजान पहाड़ है साले।
वो तो सही बात है, मगर मैं तो कभी आया नहीं इस तरफ, देख के ही खुद चकाचौंध हो गया हूँ, तो सोच रहा हूँ चलो वहाँ पर भी जाके और थोड़ा चकाचौंध हो जाता हूँ।
महाराष्ट्र से आए हो?
हाँ हाँ।
किधर से? पंजाब से?
हाँ मतलब पंजाब, मतलब मैं देखिए पहले पूना से दिल्ली किया, दिल्ली से फिर यहाँ।
कितना किलोमीटर तय कर लिया आपने, ऐसे बता दो।
यही बता देते।
लुट गए तेरी मोहब्बत में।
ये देखिए यहाँ पर लिखा है
2714 किलोमीटर
काट चुके हैं।
2714 किलोमीटर।
कितने दिन हो गए?
मैं दिल्ली में रुक गया था एक हफ्ता, ऑफिस चालू था, मगर देखा जाए तो अगर खाली ये ट्रैवलिंग का बोलो तो 4 दिन।
ਇੰਨੀ ਹੋਰ ਕੱਢ ਦੇਣੇ ਸਟਾਰ, ਹਾਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਹੋਰ ਕੱਢ देने ਇਹਨਾਂ ने।
और लोग होते इससे भी इससे कम कर सकते हैं, मगर मैं अपना स्पीड 70 80 90 उससे ज़्यादा नहीं।
बहुत कम आ रहे हो भाई, अब देखना है कार की तरफ से 120 होगी हमारी, पहाड़ी से सीधा नीचे।
हाँ
नीचे
ਸਾਡਾ ਹੱਥ ਉਧਰ ਨੂੰ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਖੱਡ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ। खाना अच्छा था?
मैं खाया नहीं है, मैं यहाँ खाली ड्रोन उड़ाने के लिए आया था।
अच्छा
चलो सत श्री अकाल सर जी, सत श्री अकाल। And I'm already late. It's 11:20 and the actual time was 6. Now it's showing 8 p.m. But when you have a beauty like this, who won't stop, man? Who won't stop? The best part is the roads. The roads are phenomenal. Look at that fine sight, man. You know, the best part is on each and every turn the view completely changes and it becomes more beautiful. Oh man, just imagine, I spent last 37 years of my life, but now I got a chance to see this. 37. And there are people in the world who still yet to explore this beauty. Now I can feel the pressure of the air as I'm climbing up the mountain. I do feel the pressure. They have these beautiful tent sites next to the Sindh River and it looks good. See what a wonderful place you can be, and when you can spend your night outs or just a couple of days next to a stream of water, and when you're surrounded with wonderful big humongous mountain, and when you have a pin drop silence and you can only hear the birds chirping, the nature around you, the flow of wind, with that the cherry on the top is the water, the running water from the river. It feels so peaceful. I had this kind of an experience once during my bachelorette with my friends, and I can't even tell you how beautiful it felt. They had been asking me to come down. I went to this place called Srivardhan in Maharashtra, and we did a night out camp, me and both of my friends, Marvin and Ronnie, and honestly that was a moment, man. I think I need to change my camera. I'm not talking about this, but I'm talking about my GoPro 11. since the time I've started my journey from Pune all the way to till here, every time either the camera crashes. I've never experienced on my GoPro 7, but yeah, this one, I don't know what. It doesn't shut down. I have to remove my camera battery to manually shut it down, forcefully shut it down. And the battery drains out very fast. I don't know why, because I don't keep my battery inside the camera when I'm watching it, and I don't overcharge. Last night I did charge my battery, but I don't know what's wrong. So currently I don't have a external. So I do have an external mic, but I don't have the adapter for Insta. So from now on, till my GoPro gets charged up, I'll be shooting on this again without the audio, without the mic adapter. I'll try my best how much I can share. That's the worst thing. But apart from that, what a fine sight we have over here. I'm feeling claustrophobic. This is actually because of the altitude. It's always been my dream to see blue water, especially right now. I see it over here, but in Pangong, that's completely a different story altogether. I'm going to preserve my Insta360 because the memory card is going to expire. Basically, the videos that I'm taking, it's on 5.7, so yes, it's occupying more space, I've already exhausted 2 of my memory cards. This is the third one, and it's a new one, but it has only 64 GB. Okay, now should I? Yeah, I can, but after this, yeah. Now I can. Yes, I did it. Woo! Okay. All right. Zozila Pass.
That's perfect.
I'm fascinated by it.
I love recently, day before yesterday, India launched the new 360 update. So I don't know how DJI. No, buddy, I'll see you then. You can. Night safe. I'll see you in late. Bye bye.
You can see the car taking the edge, and I'm not going to go from there. I will take the first water crossing. This is not that deep, but it's good enough for me. Okay, that was easy. That was just a piece of cake, man. This mountain looks as if like I'm in Hogwarts. Harry Potter thing. Or maybe what was this, that movie, Jack the Giant Slayer? Yeah, that one. Not the Harry Potter, I would say. Jack the Giant Slayer. And look at the clouds over there, man. It's actually covering the peak, the topmost position. Okay, so the photo session at Zozila Pass is done. Now I think we are almost ending Zozila Pass, and I don't know, are we reaching Kargil or are we reaching another pass? Huh? I love to be slow. Do I see glacier at my right? No, these are cements.
Blue or red?
My battery died. I will take some photos now. Okay.
Look at the animals. Look at the mules. See, two of them are playing. Okay, so we have a big town kind of a thing over here. Maybe this is Dras, or maybe it's something else. Stay alert, wildlife crossing zone. Okay. What if a bear crosses? Are we still supposed to stand? Or run? Guys, if you think we should run, please comment. And guys, if you think we should stand, do comment. You know, no matter how many times you come to Leh, Leh is still unexplored and is always ready to be explored. Yes, there's a petrol pump ahead, and I believe this is the first petrol pump that I am seeing after Srinagar. Yeah, almost after Srinagar. Or was there a... Okay, this is the one at Dras. But I believe in Sonmarg, no, there was not a single petrol pump over there. So yeah, this is the first one. What's up, kids? What's your name? आपका नाम क्या है?
अली हुसैन।
आपका?
आदिल हुसैन।
आदिल हुसैन। और आपका?
मुंतज़िर हुसैन।
सब भाई हो? सब हुसैन हुसैन है, इसलिए भाई पूछ रहा हूँ। आप लोगों का? आप लोगों का नाम क्या है? और आपका? आपका? कैसे हो आप सब? कोई सब बढ़िया? कहाँ अभी घूमने ऐसे निकले हो? अच्छा अच्छा, चलो अच्छा है। और यहाँ पर मैं तो पहली बार आ रहा हूँ। यहाँ आगे बोर्ड वोर्ड लिखा रहता है, भालू से बचा करो एंड ऑल दैट। ऐसा कुछ तो है नहीं? रात को आता है? और रहता कहाँ पर है? आता कहाँ से?
हम लोग दोपहर में वहाँ से आते हैं। हमारा
सब लेके चले जाते हैं?
वहीं पे रख देते हैं।
लास्ट टाइम कब आया था?
अप्रैल में आया था शायद, डेट तो पता नहीं।
अच्छा, अप्रैल में आया था। बाप रे बाप। चलो अच्छा, मगर बहुत सुंदर है तुम लोग का जगह यार।
इसलिए तो द्रास बोला ना।
हाँ एकदम सही। जाओ बच्चों, तुम लोग एंजॉय करो। थैंक यू, बाय 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 बाय। यस,
Such a nice photo.
such a nice photo. You are the photo man.
Photo man.
Can we fly a drone?
I doubt. I think so.
We can, right?
Yes, sir. Himalayan.
चलाओगे?
I think. Can you bring your drone? You have better. Like...